Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a Tom and Jerry nail tutorial and I'm going to be using foils. Yes, I'm not going to be drawing Tom or Jerry. I'm not that talented. I think I can do them, but I don't got time for that today, so we're going to use foils, okay? So the first thing we are going to use is this Beetle gel polish, and I got a kit from Amazon that it has different colors, and I really like them. They are very affordable, very pigmented. So you can get a kit with a bunch of colors. You can get them on Amazon. And they also sell polygel and they also sell the nail polishes per season, like different type of kits. So I got a few of them a while back and I'm using this beautiful color and it is like a baby blue, and I do have square XL tips, and these are full coverage, the one like you guys will use for press on nails. And what I'm doing here is I'm painting my nails. All of them are gonna be this blue, beautiful color. And honestly, I'm only gonna do just one coat because I think that's enough, one coat. And if you see that I go over the tip, like if I paint a little bit of my skin, that's fine. I can clean it up. As long as you clean it up before you put it in the lamp, you are fine. Because what happens if you don't clean it up and you put it in the lamp, it's gonna burn a little bit and it's gonna be a little bit harder to remove from the nail. I mean from the skin. So you want to clean this up before placing the hand in the lamp. So once I'm done, I'm gonna place these nails for 60 seconds in the lamp, and I will go ahead and clean the stickiness as well once I take them out of the lamp. And here I'm using this gel paint pot that I got from wish.com, which is very good. And I'm just shaking them. I love to shake them before I use them because you don't get that many product, let's be honest. So I like to shake the whole thing so it can be like a liquid consistency, if that makes sense. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw some clouds in here. And this nail, how do you call this? A dotting tool. I got it from where I got this? Oh, from a website, I think. Yes. And it's very good. I really like it. You can also get it on Amazon as well. And what I'm doing is I'm doing just a few clouds here and there. And I'm not gonna do the full nail tip, guys. I'm just gonna do pretty much like a few clouds here. I think I will say what, less than half. And these don't have to be perfect. I don't do perfect clouds, to be honest with you. So I'm just trying to do like a little dotting, like a couple points, and then I will do the rest. And with a black gel, I will do a little birds, just like, just to make them look like they're flying in the sky. And for this nail, I'm gonna do the sun. And I'm using the same type of gel paint, and I'm just gonna fill up the whole sun with yellow. And I'm also going to be doing some of the lines of the sun as well, so it make look more how do you call that, more realistic, I will say. And once I'm done with this, I will cure in the lamp for about 60 seconds. And don't forget, guys, that the giveaway is still going on my blog. I'm giving away a polygel kit that I purchased on Amazon. Also, is going to come with a lamp. Make sure you visit my website so you can follow the rules and be able to participate. The giveaway will end on March 26th. So stay tuned for the winner, but you still can enter until March 26th midnight. That's when it will end. Okay, I will leave the link in the description box so you guys can go check it out. So here I'm gonna give you tips for foils. The first thing I will recommend is to work one nail at a time. The second thing is I'm going to recommend you that you cut the pieces of the foil that you want to use. Why? Because you prevent from having the whole foil in your hands and sticking it into another nail that you don't need to. Then after you cut the pieces of the foil that you want to use, you're going to go ahead and put your foil glue in one nail because you're going to work one at a time. You cure in the lamp for 60 seconds, you stick the foil, and you rub the foil. You can use a tool like the one that I'm using, which is a silicone one. You can use an orange stick. You can use anything with a rubber end to hit the foil like this. It has to be rubber or silicone because you don't want to ruin the foil. Another thing is work one nail at a time. You don't want to work the whole, you don't want to put the foil glue in all of the nails and then decide what foil you're going to put because it's going to be a mess. You're going to stick the foil when you don't want to and you're not going to like it. I mean, you can fix it by filing the foil off, but that's a lot of work, let's be honest. So make sure you work one nail at a time. That way it will give you time, you will do it calm, and everything will still good. Sometimes people ask, what about if the foil don't transfer? There could be two things that can prevent you from the foil to transfer. I mean, three things. The first one could be that the gel glue you're using is horrible. The second one could be that you're not curing the gel glue enough in the lamp, or your lamp is horrible. The other thing is that the foils are old, and this has happened to me. I have ordered previously from a website a few times, and I had the same experience with the foils. So I stopped ordering from the website. Yes, if the foils are old, they're not going to transfer. So those are the things that can prevent the foil from really transfer to your nail. Also, if your gel glue it's been in the nail for a while, it can happen too. So make sure that when you cure that foil glue, you get ready to put the foil because if you go wait and you do other things and you have that stickiness on your nail tip and there's dust that can get on that nail tip, your foil is not gonna stick. So make sure you work fast with the foils. You cure in the lamp, you put the foil, you rub the foil, and then it will be ready to go. Um, Another thing I'm going to recommend is to lift the paper really slow. So that way, if you see that there's some parts that I didn't stick to the nail tip, you can go back again and rubber again. And if you remove the foil and there's some parts of the nails that it didn't get covered, don't worry. You can rub it. If it don't stick, then you can add more gel glue and then rub it again. It works perfect. I highly recommend this gel glue. It's very good. As you guys can see, when I remove the plastic, it will come everything will transfer. What else I can tell you guys about the foils? Oh, and the most important thing is that some of you ask, how do you know what part you're gonna rub? How do you know what part is gonna go to the tip? Very easy. The foil will have two parts. One is always shiny and one is not that shiny. So the part that is shiny is the one that you're gonna rub is the one that goes on top of the tip. The part that is not shiny is the one that you're gonna glue to the nail. That's how you know. So what I'm doing in here after I place all my Tom and Jerry foil, I'm gonna use a top coat from Young Nails, and I have to say the smell of this top coat is like plastic. I mean, it is beautiful and everything, but the smell is not that great. It smells like pure gel plastic, but that's fine. It works amazing. It does the job. And look how beautiful these foils look. And are you guys watching the movie from Tom and Jerry? That's my question. Um, I watched Tom and Jerry since I was a little girl, so I really love them. So let me know in the comment section, are you watching the movie? Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I will leave all the links in the description box so you can follow me on Instagram. Don't forget the giveaway, it will end on the 26th of March. I hope you guys enjoyed this easy Tom and Jerry nail tutorial. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section. I will be answering them as always. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.